Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know I have been gone for weeks, but it has been hotter than the devil's toenails, and I was not trying to catch a heat stroke making a YouTube video. But with that said, I'm making you guys a YouTube video. But anyway, what I wanted to let you guys know is that I decided to pick up the Play by Sephora Luxe package that they had, like the little thing that you can purchase, and I wanted to show you guys what was in it. So before we get into the video, let me tell you some facts about this particular product. Okay, so with the Sephora Play Luxe package, this is the first one that they have. So this is volume 1. This is not a monthly subscription. You can purchase this one at a time, but it's when they're available, because from what I understand, the stock is limited. Also, the cost for this is $25, and all samples inside are luxury brand products. When you first open your package, the first thing you see is a cute little pink bag, and then inside of that is your bag with all of your products in it. It's kind of cheap, but it's got a flap and it contains all of the items. The first thing in the bag is actually these collector cards, and it looks kind of expensive. It's really cute. And the first card on the back, when you buy a full-size product, you will actually get an extra 50 points. The next item is the YSL lip stain in rouge. Next you get the Altier cologne, and this one's a little bit mature and strong for my particular taste. Next you get a little sample of the SK2 RNA Power Face Cream, and this is a really small one, but I think you should be able to get a couple of tries out of that one. Next you get a sample of Guerlain's Radiance Primer, which reminds me of the Honey Do Me Up Primer by NYX. This is the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill Mascara, and this one I can't wait to try because I always love to try new mascara, so I'm excited about this one. And next you get the La Mer Eye Concentrate sample. Last but not least, these are the 3 samples that I got with my order, which were just 3 fragrances. But overall, my thoughts on this is that I don't think it's worth the $25. You can get something else more fulfilling for $25, in my honest opinion. But it's a cute idea. It's definitely cute. But with that said, guys, please go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!